Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video of the top ways to promote Digistore24 and to make money for you, a beginner. So before we move on into that subject matter today, I want to remind you that if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to our channel, and if you haven't already, reach over there and tap the bell icon a couple times so that you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. I also like to remind you today that there's free training available to you down in the description. There's a link down in the description for great free training. I highly recommend it. It's the training I use to start my business. It's created by Philip Barrowman. I suggest that you click the link today. Don't put it off. Get started today in the correct direction and making an online business you can be proud of. It'll make you money. Let's move on in today's video subject, top ways on how to promote Digistore24. So in today's video, what I'm going to do, the way I'm going to do this, we're going to look through and give you an idea, an overview of the 4 top ways to promote and make money using Digistore24. So what we're going to do is look at that first, and then after that we'll look at products and introduce the products to you from Digistore24, and then we'll look at these 4 specific and bring in some specific examples on how you can promote these products from these. So the first way is to promote in a written article on a niche blog. What that's going to be is, we'll go through that. Second way is to make a quick video, 2 to 3 minutes long, on the benefits of the product you've picked out, and then publish it obviously to like YouTube or Vimeo, and from there hook it in with a link to the product. The third way is to send monthly emails or newsletters to your email list. And the fourth way we're going to talk about today is to run a social media campaign back to a squeeze page. That's the 4 areas we're going to talk about. Let's move on into the dashboard and through the product introduction and how you can promote products from Digistore24. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to promote products that are found on Digistore24. And what I want to do first is we're going to go to the marketplace, and I want to look at 5 main categories. I went through and examined these categories. These are the categories that have the most products represented on this platform at the moment of my recording this video. First, we have fitness and health with 46 products. Second, we have internet marketing and e-business at 28. We have business and investments at 21. We have social media products at 10, and then dating, love, and relationships at 7. Now, the reason I bring this up is because we want to look at a couple of these, and we're going to talk specifically about these. So we're going to go to fitness and health. There's the 46. These are ranked by sales rank, and we're going to go through here. Now, I noticed these first 5 products are all like keto type products. These are all, diet products basically at the moment. We could click on any one of them. Let's go to the sales page for keto after 50. Here's the sales page. And this will give you an idea what the product is about. Okay, one last product. We're going to look at dating, love, and relationships. The number 1 seller is this one here. Now, we have 90% commission, which is really high. Average price is $67.82. You can go to the sales page and go to the affiliate support page. Now, the affiliate support page is going to look like this. Now, they've got a lot of stuff here. They have banners, they have sample emails, promotion links, custom reports, product review, hooks and angles, and contact them if you need anything else. Let's just go to image banners. And what you have to do is send to them that you want that, then they'll send it back. But the thing is, they have a lot of different tools that you can use here. Sales page was this one here. They have a video, sales video. And sales video basically sells it for this one. So I just wanted to show you that the different types of products have different things available. How much money you make depends on each of the vendors and the products that have been created. Some vendors also want you, as I showed you an example before, they want you to contact them to get the affiliate support page sent to you. Again, they want to know that you're serious about promoting them. You're going to promote them in the proper way. Now, let's do another product. Here's one. Now, this one, blood sugar, they got sales page and affiliate support page. Now, most of the products in here have affiliate support page. It's going to give you a main affiliate link for this. And then it's going to give you add headlines that you can use for emails. It's going to give you add descriptions that they use for native ads. It gives you add images that you can take these and copy them. So you can use them for good click-throughs and emails. Here's some of the copies. And there's a video here too. And you can download the email in HTML. That's the way the products work. That basically will give you the information on it. You can decide. You can get your affiliate link by doing this. So what you're going to do is you find out what kind of product you want to promote. But then the next, what we're going to talk about is we're going to go through each of the, I've decided to highlight 4 different ways to promote products that are on this site. So after you've seen now how to get around on the site here, let's go to the first one, which will be promote in a written article on a niche blog. Okay, so the number one way we're going to promote products from Digistore24 is going to be promote in a written article on a niche blog. Just want to show you an example of this real quick. You can go from this here. We went to the sales page here, and we come down here, and they're talking about, this is the affiliate page. They're talking about, well, this is the sales page. What they're talking about, people are saying about it. The affiliate page, what they're saying about it. Okay, went to this site here, Meet Your Suite. And Meet Your Suite looks like this. And you can find throughout here, there's products being promoted. You could promote the product like this and capture an email address and a name. Or you can write articles and find the specific products are promoted in here, either through affiliate links in the text or through an image that you would click on, or a video. That's the first example, is in a written article, would either be from an image that you would click on, it would take you to the content, or an in-text affiliate link like we showed you up here. That would be number one. Number 2 is going to be make a quick video 2 to 3 minutes long and talk about the benefits. Okay, so next we're going to talk about point number 2 on how to promote products from Digistore24. And what we're going to be talking about is how to make a quick video 2 to 3 minutes long and make it talking about the benefits of a product. Just wanted to show you we're back at meetyoursuite.com. And he's got a thing here called the no contact rule. Now this video is published on Vimeo, but if you listen to the video...
It's pretty simple. Basically, what this strategy involves is ignoring your ex for...
Okay, so that's no contact. Now I went on to YouTube. And YouTube, no contact, same guy, Brad Browning, talking about the no contact to get your ex back. And he's talking
talk about the no contact rule that you've probably read all about as you were searching around the internet for ways to get back together with your ex.
Okay, so that's a 5-minute video he made. I'm suggesting make it even a little shorter, but talk about the benefits. And that's what he does here. And what he has here is he has a link that you can go to. And that's what I'm talking about, creating a link. And the link will go here. And men will click here, women will click here, and it'll take you to the product. Okay, you can add your product to your cart. That's what I'm talking about. Make a quick video. People find it. They click on it. You sell the product. So that's point number 2. Okay, so point 3 we're going to talk about from promoting products from Digistore24 is going to be send monthly emails or newsletters to your email list. I just want to show you an example real quick of this. This was just created the other day. Okay, so this is a broadcast newsletter I created and sent. The example, it looks like this when it's received. What you can do is send it to your email list. What you can do is this can be used. Let's say this could be a product or a couple of products that I'm promoting from Digistore. And if they are from Digistore, it's a product in here. Let's say it's an email marketing product. Say it's promoting Perpetual Income 365, then it would be a link to that product would be down here, and this would be everybody that's on my email list would get it. So that's example number 3, how you could promote a product promote it to your list, write an email for it, send it out in a broadcast. And this is the test. This is the test email I sent to myself. And this would be what your person on the email list would receive. Let's say that like this is promoting a video from a YouTube channel, but you could use it for a product. So that's number 3. Let's move on to the last one, number 4. Run a social media campaign. So my last way to promote products from Digistore24 would be to run a social media campaign back to a squeeze page. And the perfect example would be what my mentor, Philip Borelman, did just back on November 26th. This is a post on the Facebook group, and there's a video to promote it. And then if you click on the link, you're taken to a squeeze page. And again, a video to promote it. It's what we call a bridge page. And then more information on the sales page down here. And there's a place to click to link another video. And I want this. Then we get into the pricing. And the price for this product is here. And that's how it works. That's how it works. You run the campaign on Facebook group or your Facebook page, and you have a link that takes you to the sales page, and you can set it up with a video, and then you have clicked on
It's
it.
Philip here, and how would you like to watch me build a profitable online business using my own action plan from Taking Action Online? Well, then keep watching.
So that's how you do the last of the 4 ways to promote Digistore24 products would be to run a social media campaign on a Facebook page and run it back to a squeeze page where the product is presented for sale like this. If you got any value from the video today, I'd like to ask you to give us a large thumbs up, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're at it. And we appreciate that. Also, reach over there and hit the bell icon. Tap that a couple times firmly so that you get notified every time we have a new video to our channel. And I also like to remind you that we have free training. That's right. That's what I said. Free training available to you. Follow the link down in the description for free training that'll get you started today. The training is available today. Access that today and get started on your own successful online marketing business and experience. do that today. We appreciate you for watching the video today. That was Digistore24, how to promote 4 top ways how to promote products from Digistore24. With that, we say thank you and so long.